Hi, it's Adam here from Music Radar once again. This time I am taking a look at a new softsynth plugin. This is Lush 2 from D16 Group. Lush 2 is a multi-layer polyphonic synthesizer, and it may look fairly standard from this front page here, but there's actually a lot going on under the hood. One of the main selling points is that it has up to 8 layers of sounds here. You can see along the top these buttons, so you can have 8 different layers on top of each other or split across the keyboard, and there's loads of stuff you can do with that. I'm going to do a very quick tour of the interface here, and then we'll jump into some sound demos. There's loads of presets that come included with this, so I'll go through a few of those and you can hear what this thing can do. So starting with that at the top here are your presets when you click on that. Split into filters here. I think there's 1600, over 1600 presets that it comes with, which is huge. And these are the global presets here, and also for each layer, you have presets that you can merge together and mix and things like that. Here are your layers here. Switch between them with these buttons. You can enable, disable them and mute them. And you can lock them as well so they can't be changed. And these 3 buttons over here are on the synth page, and there's the mod matrix, and the mixer is where you're going to mix together those layers and add effects and things like that. We'll switch back to the synth page for now. I'm not going to go into every single one of these sliders because they're things that a lot of synthesizers do. You've got a lot of different options for the polyphony. Over here you've got 2 slots for some inline insert effects, which you can choose from any of these ones here, as well as on the mixer section you've got effects over here. So that's a reverb, delay and a chorus, which again all have presets for them, and you can enable and disable those with the buttons there. In the center here you've got one VCO, which is designed to be kind of an analog sounding VCO. There's some options for pitch drift if you click that cog, and all the different sliders you could need there. You've got one tweakable filter here with all the sliders you could need there, plus a separate high pass filter on this side. You've got 2 ADSR envelopes and 2 LFOs down the bottom. And on the right hand side, a very full featured arpeggiator, which actually comes with its own presets as well, you can see there. So you've basically got a very full featured analog sounding kind of modern synth, which is then repeated 8 times across the top, so you can layer those together and mix them however you want to get some massive sounds. Moving over to the mixer section, again it's very full featured. You can see you've got a lot of options straight on the front panel here. You've got EQ and compression, which you can push in and out, and to edit those you hit the edit button and a little window pops out the side. So you've got some EQ knobs and a basic kind of compression on there. Again, that's different for each layer of the synth. You've got volume and pan for each layer, obviously, and also separate sends for the reverb, delay and chorus effects over here. So there's a lot going on, an awful lot to play with, but let's see how it sounds. That's the most important thing. I'm going to go through a few of my favourite presets that I found and play some stuff, and we'll see what this thing can do. So yeah, that's just a little taste of what Lush 2 can do. You can see it's covering a wide range of stuff there, from epic kind of pads to sequences and drum kits and all sorts of stuff you can do with that. And I'm really just scratching the surface in this little demo. I didn't even go to the mod matrix. You can see here. You can assign all the different things to all the different parameters. But it is out now. You can check it out yourself on the D16 website, d16.pl. There's a demo available, and also check out our review on Music Radar for our full verdict.